How to sync your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar. So I'm going to show in this video. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. First, uh, go to your Google Calendar. Okay, and here you can see your all calendar. Just now select calendar which you want to share with Outlook. Just click on this three dot, go to the setting, and just scroll down, and here uh okay, so enable it code. Here you can see option like, okay, you have to find out this code which is secret address for icon format. Copy it by clicking, you have to click on this copy icon, it will be copy. Now go to the Outlook and click on calendar. Okay, click on calendar. Now you have to click on this icon, share calendar. This option will be open. Okay, now you have to click on add calendar, and here you have to go is subscribe from web. Click tap on subscribe web, and here you have to paste this code which we had copied from Google Calendar. Just paste, and you have to give the name of calendar. You can change name also, color also. Want to insert any icon, you can insert from here. You can select the uh, to under in which calendar you want to add this. So I have my calendar, other calendar. I just click on the calendar and just click on it, so it will be imported. Yeah, it's full calendar update. So when you go in calendar, so go to the calendar and check whether it is added or not. Okay, so let's check. Like you can see in other calendar, you can see there is a Google Calendar has been added. Okay, so you can view only Google Calendar. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.